Hi, today is October the 19th, 2020. This is Dr. Fryer. What I want to show is how to annotate a PDF in the iPadOS version of Safari. So this is a little more cumbersome with more steps than what you have if you're using the app, but you can do it. So once you're viewing, again, in Safari on an iPad, you can go ahead and tap on the PDF. But you're going to need to open this up in Markup, and so you can't do that directly here. You don't want to say open with, because that's going to try to connect it to different cloud apps. You want to open it locally, so you're going to say open in a new window. After it opens in a new window, then you're going to come up here to the upper right corner and you're going to tap on the download button. Okay. Now we have this PDF downloaded locally in the Safari browser. And so when I tap on the share square, I can scroll down and choose Markup, and that's the one that has the little pin icon. So at this point, I have access to all of my markup tools, and I can make any changes and annotations that I would like to my document. If I'm doing math problems, I can do whatever I need to do, and I can make all of those changes, okay, to the document. And this could be a multi-page document. I only have a one-page document here. So now I need to tap Done, and I can choose Save File To. And this is going to let me save it to my iPad. Now, I have actually created a folder here called Math Files. You can create a folder, and that's a good idea by next to the Save button, tapping the new folder icon if you want to create one. But I've already created it, so I select Math Files, and I'm going to go ahead and choose Save. And I've already actually saved this file, so I can either replace or keep both. I'll just say replace. So this file is now saved in my Files app of my iPad. So I can go back here to Google Classroom, and what I have to do, and again, it's easier if you're doing it in the Google Classroom app, but here in Safari, I'm going to have to tap the X and quit it, and then I'm going to choose Add or Create a File. I have to browse for the file because this is going to be on my computer, and I'll tap Browse, and there is the file which I've annotated, and so I can go ahead and select it, and now I am ready to turn it in. So if you count those steps, not counting the fact this last one is 2 steps, I think that's actually 11 steps. It is easier to do this in the app, but you can do it in Safari for iPadOS. It just takes a lot of steps.